This time I'm going to configure a access list that is going to deny the 3 network, that is this network right here, from reaching the 1 network, that is this network right here. It's just going to be able to reach just the server through port 80, that means just the web server, but it's not going to be able to like ping the server or nothing like that. Also, it's going to permit the 3 network from accessing the 2 network. But any other computer that we put here isn't going to be able to access those computers. It's not going to communicate to it. And this is very useful in a medium company or big companies where you can put different levels of computer in different places with different VLANs. And also like that you put some security in the company where some computers are not able to access the server, but they can at least access the internet server or just the file server, whatever it is that you want to just permit them to access. Because we're gonna to put a extended access list is going to be closest to the source, and that means that we're gonna put it in this router right here. Okay, we're gonna enable. Everything have been already configured. Not with doesn't have any key to or the name or nothing like that, but we're just focusing in the protocol to put the access list. Right now they can communicate. I'm gonna to demonstrate that from PC number 4. I'm gonna pin PC number 3. Pin 192.168.1.101, I believe. Let's check. Just make sure that this is the IP address. Okay, it is. Okay, we hit enter. It's pinging the first one timeout. The second one also timeout, but the last two, it did recognize it. They just needed to get um, the IP, the table, fill up. But how you see, we can communicate to PC3 from any of these computers. Now we're gonna put the access list conf t to configure terminal, and after we are in configure terminal, we put IP access list. If we want to check what's gonna be the next command, we see that we have a standard and extended. We want extended tab. Then now we choose extended is from 100 to 199. Standard is from 1 to 199. I put 100. That's the number that we're gonna give. Now that we are inside of the standard access list, what we want to do is deny. I mean permit, because at the end there is an implicit deny any, and we want to permit the 192.168.3 network that 0 from accessing the host 192.168.1.102, I believe. The server we usually should give the last IP address in the network, the one before the last, but yeah, we gave them 102 for this time. 102. Did something wrong? Let's see. Oh, what we want to permit is the TCP permit TCP host one night network. I mean permit 192.168.3.0 from accessing the host 192.168.1.102. Something's wrong. Um, this is a cool thing that you always can go back and check what you do wrong if you're not sure that you're doing something right. Okay, I'm pretty sure that it's like this: 192 that wants to say that 3 network, but um, what we need to put is the wildcard bits 255, and now I'm gonna include the host that I'm going to deny. This 192 that 168 that 1 that 102 and the port that 129 that is going to be equal, or if you want, it's better to um, see the destination, because I needed to put here host. If I put here like if I put host and then let's put this bigger because like that is easier to see. Put host space and check. Let's put the host first then. Host 192.168.1.102 and check. Okay, now give me the last command that what we're gonna use is equal to the packet on a given port number, and it's gonna be equal to port 80. That is the port where we can access the just the web of the web server. We click enter, and that part is already set. Now we're going to do up, and we're going to permit this network from accessing the 2 network, and we're gonna put the 192.168.2.0 and the wildcard bits 255. And now that's it. Now it's done. After here there is an implicit um deny any, and we can put it in, but it's still is there anyways. Then what we're gonna do next is to apply this access list to the port, and we for that we go interface, and we're gonna apply it to fast internet 00. I mean, this is fast internet gigabit 00, and to this to gigabit 0 gigabit. Yes, gigabit 0/0, and we're gonna apply the access group. How we do that? We put access IP access group, and then we include the access list that was a 100 access list. Oh, and now we need to include if it's outbound or inbound. This is gonna be an inbound, and the access list have been applied. Now let's test it. We go to PC4, command prompt, and we ping 101 destination reachable. But if we go to the web browser and we put 192.168 .1.102. There we go. This is the default website that the web browser show when you access um, the web. But if we ping this PC, the 192, we're gonna do that. Let's try to ping 102 destination unreachable. I mean, this apply a very good security to the network. Let's ping PC6. We're supposed to be able to ping PC6 that is in the 2 network. We change this for a 2 and it is 101. Wait a sec. 192.168.2.101. Says destination reachable. I mean, there is something that we need to change now and check why it's saying destination reachable. Let's go to the commands. See what we put different that we shouldn't put it. We go Control Z. We click the show run. Has an inbound access list, IP classes. Here is the access list. That's the problem right there. The problem is that I put TCP access list permit TCP. Now I need to change to include a IP was what I needed to put. I mean that I gonna put it's already enabled conf t access list 100 permit IP 192.168.3.0. The wildcard bit 0.0.0.255, that is the opposite of the if the opposite of the subnet mask. Okay, and now 192.168.2.0 and also the wildcard bits 0.0.0.255. And the access list is already applied. We shouldn't need to apply it because it's already applied. I mean, we're gonna just test if now we can pin PC6. Now timeout the first one and the other ones work. Now we are able to ping PC6 and any other PC that we include in the 2 network. But we don't want to be able to ping in the 1 network. Just go to the server. And that's how you apply access list and some of the benefits of applying access list in a network. Thank you.